Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Belief Biomed reported Macao approval for BBM-H901 in adults with moderate to severe hemophilia B. The recombinant AAV gene therapy, dalnakagene panparvovec, had already received mainland China approval in April 2025. With Takeda China commercializing across mainland China, Hong Kong, China, and Macau, China, this regulatory expansion could support broader access and may shape prescriber and payer discussions as more data are reviewed. Aspen Neuroscience presented one-year Phase 1/2a data for sasineprocel, its autologous-induced pluripotent stem cell-derived neuron therapy for Parkinson's disease. Across 8 treated patients, the company said all showed improvement in symptom control, motor function, and quality of life measures, and some were able to reduce levodopa use. Aspen is now moving the program toward pivotal study planning. Ocugen reported that OCU 410 met the Phase 2 primary endpoint in geographic atrophy associated with dry age-related macular degeneration. In a 51-patient study, the AAV-based gene therapy showed a 31% average lesion size reduction at 12 months at the selected Phase 3 dose. The company also reported no serious adverse events and no adverse events of special interest, supporting further late-stage development. Beam Therapeutics shared updated Phase 1/2 data for Beam 302 in alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency across 29 treated patients. The liver-targeting base editing therapy produced durable biomarker improvement, including mean steady-state total AAT of 16.1 micromolar in the 60 mg cohort. Beam selected 60 mg as the go-forward dose for pivotal development and plans a global pivotal cohort in the second half of 2026. Rocket Pharmaceuticals received accelerated FDA approval for KRESLADI, or marnetigrazine autotemcel, for pediatric patients with severe leukocyte adhesion deficiency, one caused by biallelic ITGB2 variants. The autologous hematopoietic stem cell-based gene therapy is described as the first FDA-approved gene therapy for children with severe LAD-I who do not have an HLA-matched sibling donor for allogeneic transplant. The approval may expand screening, treatment initiation, and follow-up. Encoded Therapeutics announced FDA alignment on the pivotal study design for ETX-101 in SCN1A-positive Dravet syndrome and said Endeavor Part 1b and Part 2 are now underway. ETX-101 is an AAV9 gene regulation therapy, and the pivotal study is expected to enroll 30 children aged 6 months to under 4 years. Seizure reduction will serve as the primary endpoint, with cognition as a key secondary endpoint. MeiraGTx reported FDA breakthrough therapy designation for AAV2, HAQP1 in Grade 2 and Grade 3 radiation-induced xerostomia. The designation was supported by 3-year Phase 1 data. The company also said it is aligned with the FDA on Phase 2 AQUAx2 requirements that could support a potential BLA, with the primary endpoint assessed at 12 months. Caribou Biosciences reported RMAT designation for CB011, its allogeneic anti-BCMA CAR-T therapy for relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma. The company said the designation was based on promising initial Phase 1 camouflage data, including previously disclosed response metrics in a 12-patient BCMA-naive cohort at the recommended dose for expansion. The update highlights continued regulatory momentum for off-the-shelf cell therapy development. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.